In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deploy a React app onto Netlify. So the React app we're going to deploy is a 3-page React app. We have the login, we have the register here, and we also have the dashboard once you log in. So the very first step that you need to do is that you need to upload your particular folder structure to GitHub. I for once have already done so already. So I'll head over to GitHub and look at the account that I need to upload. Now let me show you the particular file. Go to my repository. Now this particular React login, it is what I just uploaded. So now this is the file structure that I want to upload to Netlify for it to deploy. Now I head over to Netlify, I click on new site from Git. So I choose GitHub. Now it's going to ask for authority from GitHub. So I'm going to select my account. So it's going to ask me, do I want to do all repositories or just only select? I just want just a few select ones. So select. So I'm going to choose a particular file, React login, that's the folder, and I click on install. So I'm going to wait for some couple of minutes for it to show. Alright, so it has shown. So now this is the particular file that we want to upload. So once we click on it, we're able to see the details, the owner, the branch, the base directory, the yarn, and the build. Now let's say for example you have some side keys that you want to add. You can just click on new, on advanced, add new variable. You can add variable name and key. Maybe you have some secret keys that you want to add. But for us, we're not going to add any secret key because the app does not need. This is the app I want to deploy. It's not connecting to anything. So we click on deploy site. Sorry, let me cancel this. I don't need to. So you click on deploy site. So it's saying site deploy in progress. So while deploying the site, we can easily set up a custom domain name, secure it with HTTPS, you know. So we're going to wait for it to fully deploy. So it usually takes between maybe 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. So the React app has fully deployed. So you could just click on it to just browse. So voila. So I can sign in, log in, log out. I can register. John Snow. Let me just say john@gmail.com. 123456. Register John Gmail 123456. Again, voila. So we fully deployed our app. So we can easily set up a custom domain and secure our site using HTTPS. Thank you.